Hey kids, in today's video, we're going to build on what you already know about expanded form to learn how to write large numbers in what we are calling super duper expanded form. So you already know about expanded form where you're expressing your number as the sum of the value of each of its digits. For example, if you look at 2,187, you know we would write expanded form by adding together the value of each digit. So what's super duper expanded form? Well, if expanded form takes your number and stretches apart by showing the value, super duper expanded form stretches your number apart even more and shows how you found the value of each of those digits. Super duper expanded form is expressing a number as the sum of each digit multiplied by the place that it's in. And it's actually a lot easier than it sounds. If you look at our example of regular expanded form, you knew that you added together the value of each digit. Well, super duper expanded form asks you, how did you find the value for each digit? Well, we know that the value of a digit is determined by its place. So when I look at this 2, I know it's a 2 in the thousands place. That means it's 2 groups of 1,000, or 2 times 1,000. That value of 2,000 is found by multiplying the digit times the place that it's in. The 1 is in the hundreds place. That means it's 1 group of 100, which I can write as 1 times 100. The 8 is in the tens place. The value is 80 because it's 8 groups of 10. The 7 is in the ones place. It means 7 groups with 1 in each group, which can be expressed through multiplication with 7 times 1. So instead of writing the value of each digit, we're writing the digit times the place that it's in, which gives us that value. To help keep your work even more organized, you can add grouping symbols around the value of each of the digits. That makes it more clear and makes it easier for you to check your work by making sure those multiplication problems work out to the correct value for each digit. I can see that 2 times 1,000, I know right away that's that value of 2,000. The 1 times 100, that's what I wanted for the value of that 1. It can help you keep your work more organized too by making sure you don't mix up one of the multiplication signs for where you're finding the value with one of the addition symbols where you're adding those values back together. Multiplication is used to find the value of each digit, and then those values are added back together. So let's take a look at some examples, and you can pause the video as we move through these examples and record them in your notebook. Let's see, our first number, 782,198. We could write that in regular expanded form, but super duper expanded form is going to show how we found the value of each digit, the digit times the place that it's in. So the 7 is in the hundred thousands place. The value is found by multiplying 7 by 100,000. The 8 is in the ten thousands place. We find its value by multiplying 8 times 10,000. Add that to the value of the 2. We find it by doing 2 times 1,000. Add it to the value of the 1. The 1's in the hundreds place, so that's 1 times 100. Add to the value of the 9. 9 in the tens place, 9 times 10. And then finally add on the value of that final digit, the 8. It's an 8 in the ones place, so we know that that is 8 times 1. When you look at your finished example of super duper expanded form, you should be able to see a pattern in how you're expressing your numbers. Each of the digits in your original number should be represented. You should see the 7, the 8, the 2, the 1, and so on. And you should also see the names for all of the place value places. The 7 is in the hundred thousands place. I should see the number 100,000. I should see the 10,000 for the 10,000s place, the 1,000 for the thousands place. You should always see the digit times the place that it's in. So the next example is in the millions place, 4,906,237. Remember, regular expanded form is just going to show the value of the digits. Super duper expanded form shows how you got that value. 4 is in the millions place, so we would write 4 times 1 million. The 9 in the hundred thousands place is expressed as 900,000, 9 times 100,000. The 0, since we would have to say 0 times 10,000, which would give us a value of 0. Just like in expanded form, you don't have to write any digits that are zeros. The 6 is in the thousands place, 6 times 1,000. The 2 is in the hundreds place, 2 times 100. The 3 is in the tens place, so we would add in 3 times 10. And finally, that 7 is in the ones place, so we would add 7 times 1 to the end. When you're checking your work, make sure you can always see the name of those place value places. One of the most common mistakes I see kids make is they kind of conflate or confuse super duper expanded form and regular expanded form. So for the 4, instead of writing 4 times 1 million, which gives you that value of 4 million, sometimes I'll see kids write 4 times 4 million. Well, if you're writing 4 times 4 million, that means 16 million. And that's not the value of the digit. So you always want to make sure you're multiplying the digit by the place that it's in. Okay, in our next example, 45,610,092. Regular expanded form would add together the value of the digits, but super duper expanded form shows how you got that value. The 4 is in the 10 millions place, so we would write 4 times 10 million, plus 5 times 1 million, plus 6 times 100,000, plus 1 times 10,000. We can skip the 0 in the thousands place, the other placeholder 0 in the hundreds place, and we have 9 times 10, and then a 2 in the ones place, 2 times 1. When you check your work, make sure you're multiplying inside those grouping symbols. That multiplication problem should give you the value for each digit, and then make sure you're taking those values and adding them back together, just like you do in expanded form. All right, here's our final example, 18,907,808. Try pausing the video here and trying this one on your own in your notebook, and then press play to watch the end of the video and check your work. So the regular expanded form shows the value of each digit, but for super duper expanded form, you're going to do the digit times the place. 1 times 10 million, plus 8 times 1 million, plus 9 times 100,000. Skip the value of this 0, go to 7 times 1,000, 8 times 100, value of 0 again, so we can end with 8 times 1 for the ones place. Super duper expanded form is just showing how you found the value of each digit by writing the digit times the place that it's in, and then adding those values back together. So that wraps up our video on super duper expanded form for today. See you next time. Bye, kids.